Okay, so the very first thing that I did when I was building the fort is I started with the hsil command because it's very easy to build a structure that way. You just stand at the center of where you want to put it, do hsil, and do it, and it can be as wide or as tall as you want. You can make it hollow, so you can just put whatever you want inside of it. And I built the fort that way, but then at some point I thought, what if the guys want to change the shape into some kind of a symmetrical polygon, like an octagon or hexagon or heptagon or pentagon or whatever. So I got to work and I made a bunch of test circles in midair in the sky, and in order to make the correct shape, the problem if you're starting with a circle trying to make a polygon that fits inside of it is you can't really measure the length of curved, quote-unquote curved surfaces in this game because everything is a block, everything is square. So the only actual lines that you can measure in game on by itself is straight lines that go north, south, east, and west. So in order to make the lines for a polygon, you have to use trigonometry. So you start with the center, you make a straight line that goes out to the end of the circle, and then for whatever polygon shape you're doing, like take an octagon for instance, you need to take 360 degrees for a circle divided by 8, and that gives you 72, and then you need to use the tangent function from your trigonometry class, and you need to take the tangent of that angle and multiply it by the line that you from the center to the edge of the circle that you made a minute ago. And then once you have that, it will give you a length that will stick out tangentially from the line that you made, and that will create a right triangle, and then you can do the / line function from the end of that second line to the center of the circle to make a hypotenuse for your right triangle, and that hypotenuse will act as the line for your polygon. So you can just do that as many times as you need around the circle until you get the desired shape, and then you can just do the line function to connect all those ends of those spokes together in a straight line, and there you have your polygon.